Question 8. Mindy set up an experiment on 4 pots of plants, A, B, C and D. Each identical pot has the same amount of soil and received equal amount of water daily. They are of the same height as shown below. So we have pot A with 1 red flower and garden soil, pot B 3 red flowers and garden soil, pot C 1 white flower with clayey soil, and pot D 3 white flowers with garden soil. Using a combination of pots from the 4 pots of plants given above, which of the following investigation will Mindy be able to carry out? So if we take a look at the first one, to find out if overcrowding affects plant growth. This is possible because the change variable needed for overcrowding would be the number of flowers. So here we can choose pot A and pot B, as the number of flowers is the change variable, but the type of flower and the type of soil is the same. So option 1 is a possible answer. Option 2, to find out if the amount of sunlight affect plant growth. Well, for this, we need to choose the change variable must be the location. But in this case, all 4 pots are being placed at the same location. And furthermore, we will need to compare the number of flowers which are the same in 2 pots. In this case, it is impossible because pot A and pot B have different number of flowers, and pot C and pot D have different number of flowers and different type of soil. So option 2 is out. Option 3, to find out if plant growth is affected by the type of soil used. Well, if we were to look at pot C and pot D, they have different type of soil and they have the same type of flowers, but the problem is the different number of flowers. Okay, they should be the same number of flowers if we were to compare them, as the change variable is only the type of soil. So option 3 is also out. Option 4, to find out if insects are attracted to the plants because of the colors of their flowers only. Well, for this one, we would need to compare pot A and pot C, as they have different color flowers. But at the same time, we are unable to do so because the type of soil is different. So option 4 is also not possible. So we are left with option 1, and option 1 is the answer.